Hi, welcome to my vlog, guys. So I know it's been a long time since I have vlogged myself. So this is the time when I went to the Philippines back in September of 2025. It's been 12 years since na nakauwi ako sa hindi pa ako nakauwi sa Pilipinas until now. So this is from San Francisco going to Manila, which is 19 hours straight from San Diego, which is 2 hours to San Francisco, and then 19 hours from San Francisco to Manila. And there's no stopover. It's straight to Manila NAIA Airport. So as you can see, guys, it's already been on time lapse because ang tagal kasi umalis ng eroplano, para siyang traffic dun sa may airport. I don't know why, but this is it. Ito yung view ng San Francisco. It's already just taking a flight. As you can see, it's very cloudy. Alas 8 kasi ng gabi nung umalis ako. And then, nakarating ako sa Pilipinas, alas 6 na ng madaling araw. So, as you can see, ito na. The flight from San Diego to San Francisco is 2 hours. And then, from San Francisco to the Philippines is 19 hours. So, may stopover tayo mula San Francisco. And one way na lang siya, which is straight from San Francisco to Manila NAIA Airport na yan. So, ito nga pala yung kinain ko. Hindi ako nakakain ng masyado kasi nahilo na ako. So, alas 6 na ako ng umaga nakarating. Ayan, nagbus lang kami, nag-jeep. Tapos, kumain kami sa Jollibee na umaga kasi gutom na ako. Hilong-hilo na ako. Yan nga pala yung Jollibee. Ang liit na servings nila compared sa serving sa Amerika. Tapos, ito yung tricycle ng kuya ko. Ayan. Smile! We got Jollibee. Of course, Jollibee. Okay, where am I at? I'm riding a tricycle. It's my brother right there, Ryan. Look at Tatay's music. It's freaking Mexican. Mexican music, Tatay. We're in the Philippines. Hi. Tama na yun. This is crazy. Look at Amors. This is so crazy. I feel like I've never been here before. It's like so weird. All this jeepneys and tricycles. It's so freaking weird. And it's like we have to buy like toilet paper right now. And it's only like 6 pieces. And I felt like I already spent a fortune on it. This is so weird. Amors, look. They already got stuff for like Halloween, for Christmas. It's like everything is like low quality shit. It's so weird to be back in the Philippines.
This is the market. Ito ba yun, no?
Say hi, Tay. Yeah, look at love. This is the night market. It's actually like 3 a.m. right now. Everybody is awake. Look, this is Theo, my nephew. We're here at Binyag, so it was like, oh look, we got rice cakes. They're selling fresh fish. This is so cool, Amors. I am liking this. Even though it's freaking dirty as hell. Look at the freaking floor. It's freaking dirty as hell. Look, you have squid. Squid, fresh fish. Okay, Amors. They have everything fresh. Look, they have freaking big as squid. Oh, look how big those shrimp are. Those are huge. Those are tiger shrimp. Isn't that so cool? They have mussels in there. They have a lot of things going on. It's alive. Tilapia. It's alive. This is so cool. Look how big those fish are. That's tuna. Look how big those fish. Tuna. Look how big those.
Paano spaghetti? 200. Ha? 200.
I'm buying coconut. And he's gonna grind the coconut out there. Look how he's gonna do it. He has a grinder out there. Just for him to do the coconut.
Baka mapasama.
Grinding the coconut out there. See how he's grinding the coconut. crazy it is in here. There's a lot of shit going on. Look at Mars. It's so nice. This is like the plaza, whatever it is. There's so much commotion going on. But Vicky, I don't even know what it says. Can you tell me what it says? No os olvidéis de los que han caído durante la noche.